The 2025 Kia K4 EX arrives with a bold new design and a color lineup that gives the sedan a strong visual identity. In this video, we'll walk through all 7 available shades to help you pick the one that fits your style. Aurora Black Pearl brings a deep, polished look that leans toward luxury. The glossy finish amplifies the sharp LED lighting and highlights the sedan's clean lines. Currant Red is the most energetic color in the palette. It's bright, sporty, and gives the K4 EX a confident presence on the road. Deep Sea Blue offers a rich and modern tone. It shifts subtly with the lighting, giving the car a refined yet expressive feel. Interstellar Gray delivers a darker, more technical look. It suits the K4's sculpted profile and appeals to drivers who prefer a sleek and understated aesthetic. Morning Haze stands out with its calming, soft gray-blue tone. It's a fresh and contemporary option that pairs perfectly with the K4's streamlined shape. Snow White Pearl brings a clean, upscale appearance. The pearl finish adds depth and makes the sedan's details stand out beautifully. Steel Gray rounds out the lineup with a lighter, versatile neutral. It catches light well and keeps the car looking modern and balanced. Each color gives the 2025 Kia K4 EX its own personality. Whether you want something bold, refined, or subtle, there's a shade designed to match your taste. If you're exploring options before heading to a showroom, this guide should help you picture how each finish brings the K4 EX to life.